Hey everyone, Adam with the BMW Repair Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your tail light bulbs. The brake light bulb, turn signal, reverse light bulb, and then the tail light bulb that comes on with the headlights, both the outer and the inner. It's a super easy repair for the home mechanic. If you own an X2, save a very expensive trip to the dealership or your local repair shop and do it yourself. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the outer tail light assembly, and to get the outer tail light assembly off the body of the car, you're going to need a trim removal tool as well as a 10mm socket. And we're going to start by removing this interior trim panel by removing this plastic screw slash rivet, as I like to call them, and then the trim panel easily comes off. And then you can see the assembly is held in place by two 10mm nuts, and we can go ahead and remove those. And then once you have the nuts out, you just grasp the assembly and pull it loose from the body of the vehicle. The turn signal bulb is located right here. If you need to replace the entire assembly, you just disconnect the electrical connector right there. The brake light is actually LED, which is an actual integral part of the taillight assembly. So if you're replacing the brake light bulb, you'll need to replace this whole outer taillight assembly. Now, when reinstalling the taillight assembly, the outer taillight assembly back into the body of the car, there's a little trick to it. You want to make sure you line up the rear bolt holes first. And then make sure that the front slides in. If you try and do it the other way around, you're going to have issues. This is the easiest way to do it so you don't end up breaking it. So let's move to the interior light assembly. The interior light assembly is actually located behind this plastic trim cover on the back hatch. So in order to get to the bulbs, we need to remove the plastic trim cover, and to do that we will use this trim removal tool. And then you just simply remove the light bulb socket by squeezing in these tabs. There's 3 of them, and pulling it loose like such. The bottom one is your interior taillight bulb, and then the top one is your reverse light. And they simply just twist out and you can replace them. If you found our video helpful, we would appreciate it if you like it. As always, we would appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. And if you need any other help with your BMW X2, please see us at bmwrepairguide.com.